3D printing has come a long way, from small plastic trinkets to life-changing innovations like prosthetics and dental implants. But can it go even further and shelter us? Researchers at the University of Bristol are testing just that by studying how 3D printed concrete holds up during earthquakes. Using a high-tech platform capable of holding 50 tons, they simulated seismic events on a scaled 3D printed structure, measuring every response with advanced sensors. While traditional concrete has centuries of refinement, 3D printed concrete introduces new variables like layered construction and unique material properties. Professor Anastasios Sextos and Dr. Rafael de Risi aim to bridge the knowledge gap, ensuring safety standards and building codes for this innovative material. With its speed, affordability, and sustainability, 3D printed construction could be a game changer, but only if it's proven safe.